60,000 years ago, humans left Africa for the first time. Since then, we haven't stopped traveling to every corner of the earth, but our journey is just one of many. At any given moment, billions of animals are on the move, and the health of our planet depends on it. In the vast and diverse landscapes of our planet, life thrives in unexpected places, from the icy peaks of towering mountains to the mysterious depths of the ocean floor. It's a world teeming with wonder and discovery, where each ecosystem reveals its own unique creatures and adaptations. In the depths of our vast oceans, a mesmerizing world unfolds where life thrives in ways both mysterious and wondrous. Over millions of years, evolution sculpted life forms that now inhabit land of our planet. It's miraculous to see the diversity in life on Earth. This is gar. It is the largest species among the wild cattle and the bovidae. Breeding takes place year-round, but typically peaks between December and June. Where they make sound like this to induce male-male rivalry and to show how healthy and fit it is to female gore. Once the two healthiest, or alpha males, have showcased their vocalizations, it is time for the final fight for mating, and whoever wins will have the chance to mate with the females. The other male will lose its herd to the alpha male for this season. Similarly in deers, here, specifically brow-antlered deers, they have antlers again for the male rivalry. These extra ornamentations make them prone to predators, but here, intrasexual selection outgrows the natural selection. These secondary characters indicate that the male is healthy, disease-free, have good genes, and are thriving in the nature. Kangaroos are not the only one with the pouches. It is a great white pelican along with the giant pouch. They are large birds with short legs and are the only birds with totuple mate feet. Means that webbing connects all four of their toes. Now, if we are talking about intelligence, elephants are no way less. Renowned for their exceptional intelligence, these majestic creatures rank among the most clever beings on Earth. Elephants are highly social animals with a complex range of behaviors. They communicate through gestures, touch, smell, and sounds. Vocally, elephants are able to rumble, bellow, growl, and trumpet. Most rumbling noises are below the frequency range of human hearing and are thought to travel several kilometers. This means elephants can tell where other animals are and can take steps to join or avoid one other. In this footage, observe as the elephant demonstrates its remarkable intelligence by selecting a source of water that is whole. Rather than drawing water directly from the hot lake during the scorching afternoon, it strategically chooses a cooler alternative, a hole from which the lake's water is flowing. This behavior shows the problem-solving abilities of this fascinating creature. In the intricate web of life that blankets our planet, a mesmerizing array of creatures exists, each one a masterpiece of evolution. Yet, in this awe-inspiring tapestry, a solemn responsibility falls upon our shoulders. As stewards of this magnificent planet, we must pledge to protect and preserve these wondrous life forms. Through concerted conservation efforts and unwavering dedication, we can ensure that the intricate mosaic of life on Earth continues to flourish, enchanting generations to come with its boundless splendor.